Transform your bedroom into an elegant sanctuary with our meticulously crafted bedroom furniture sets. Each piece combines refined design, luxurious materials, and exceptional craftsmanship to bring both beauty and functionality to your space. The luxury bed is the centerpiece, crafted with premium materials and designed for comfort. Its sleek, modern lines and plush mattress offer both elegance and relaxation, making every night a restful escape. Paired with matching nightstands, dressers, and wardrobes, each piece is designed with simplicity and sophistication in mind. The nightstand features refined details and ample storage for your essentials, while the dresser and wardrobe offer space and style to organize your belongings. Together, these pieces create a cohesive, stylish look that elevates your space, turning your bedroom into the ultimate retreat.